The big news so far, the power trio has been included in the Narendra Modi cabinet. Times Now has learned that Rajnath Singh will be getting the Home Ministry. Sushma Swaraj is likely to get the Ministry of External Affairs, and Arun Jaitley might be the Finance Minister in Modi's cabinet. But still no confirmation on the Defence Ministry. Sources telling your channel that Narendra Modi himself might retain the Defence Ministry.
I am taking vote today, but Mr. Prime Minister has not decided any portfolio about any minister. After vote, he will decide which portfolio should be given to each minister.
Certain portfolios like defence, we understand, is going to be kept with the Prime Minister. Finance will go to Mr. Jaitley. MEA has been allotted to Sushma Swaraj. What are you hopeful for?
This is the thinking of media. But Modi yet has not decided any portfolio, and he will declare that all portfolios after the vote.
We must be firm on policy. That the UPA government was very weak and they were directionless when it comes to China. I have been very vocal since long time on this issue. So this is reflected in our party's manifesto as well as the BJP's, all the messages we spread during our campaign time, that our policy on foreign affairs, especially with regard to China, that we will not believe in aggressive policies. We don't believe in aggression, yet we will be firm. We will, put our case strongly.
देश के लिए अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. जो हम बात अभी तक कह रहे थे वो आज से अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं. 6 बजे प्रधानमंत्री जी की और उनके मंत्रिमंडल की शपथ विधि समारोह हो जाएगा और उसके बाद जो मुद्दे हम चुनाव घोषणा पत्र में दर्शा करके जनता से ये कहते रहे कि हमारी सरकार बनेगी तो इन मुद्दों पर हम काम करेंगे, उसकी शुरुआत होगी. निश्चित रूप से नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में 21वीं सदी भारत की सदी होगी. देश विकसित राष्ट्रों की श्रेणी में अग्रणी पंक्ति में होगा. केंद्र में जो यूपीए सरकार थी उसकी नाकामियों के कारण जो महंगाई, भ्रष्टाचार, कालाधन आदि की ज्वलंत समस्या खड़ी हुई थी, उन समस्याओं का समाधान करेंगे. साथ ही साथ मोदी साहब के विकास मॉडल को देश के विकास में आगे बढ़ाएंगे और निश्चित रूप से एक नहीं अनेक अवसरों पर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो अपने भाषणों में मुद्दे उठाए हैं उन मुद्दों को हल करेंगे.
The mood is somber. They have to deliver in very adverse circumstances, and so I think, God willing, we will be able to fulfill whatever the mandate of the people is vis-a-vis the Bharatiya Janata Party.
You are MP from Gurgaon. You were with the Congress earlier. Now with the BJP, what are the differences that you possibly can already relate to? What are the changes that you see in this government as compared to the UPA?
Well, first and foremost is internal party democracy. In the Congress party, I've been there for 36 years. It was, and especially in the last 10 years, there's been no internal party democracy. There was no meeting of minds or a brainstorming session ever. You were given orders. Where the orders emanated from, nobody knows, Who was in charge of the Congress party, nobody really knows. So it was a whole mix. It was a sort of a party which didn't believe in these kind of things, I think. And here you are asked to give your opinion, whether it's adverse, whether it's pro, what is the general line of thinking is. But once the decision has been taken, I think everybody falls into line, which is a different culture altogether from the Congress.